Hi, Puppy Lover here. I've got a Puppy in My Pockets carrier, and this is a Series 5. There's two hidden puppies inside. Well, let's open it up and see which two puppies are inside. Okay. Our blind bag. Big jiggy blind bag. Okay. Okay. So first we'll get the thing out. Now let's look at the puppies. There's a little one on a little sled with a little snowball. I think it's a husky. This one, I'm not sure what it is. It could be a Dalmatian, I'm not sure. But it's really cute. Okay, now let's see who they are. Wrong side. Okay. Well, let's see. This one is Jono, and I was right, it is a husky. This one's name is Charlie. It's a Great Dane. And, okay. There's lots of cute ones here. If you want to see what the ultra rare one looks like, it's a little puppy. It's a little poodle. Her name is Pandora. Okay, well, this is a really cute carrier. There's a little thing. And look, the puppies can easily just go in just like that. And it has a little door and everything. The windows. And well, that'll be it for today. But down in the comments, tell me which one of the puppies was your favorite. The Great Dane or the Husky. Catch you later.